all the modules regardless of what course we're looking at, right? So instead, we want to implement a find modules for a course. Yes. So let's do that. So let's in our new module service, let's implement another one here that says export const find module for course. So you're going to pass me a course ID, right? And I'm going to go fetch that for you. Right, so it's going to be a fetch just like before, but the URL is going to be slightly different. Right? It's going to be the same generic server, blah 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 blah. It's not going to be a delete. It's going to be a get. Right, so I don't need this initialization. I don't need that. But I'm going to pass you the course ID. This will be courses followed by the course ID followed by modules. So this is red. Give me only the modules that are within that course. Make sense? Right? And then it's gonna return that, right? And we're going to export it. We can either export it and use it independently, or we're going to add it here to our map. Yes? So here, instead of doing this find all modules, I'm going to actually call which one? We're going to call instead find modules for course. So find modules for course. Right? We're going to call this. This is going to come. We're going to use the module service dot find module for course. I'm going to pass you the course ID as an argument. Yes, and this is going to come back with the actual modules, and then we can send it to the dispatcher. So dispatch. We're going to call a new type. The type is going to be called find modules for course, and we're going to pass you the actual modules that came back from the server. Modules, actual modules. Okay, right? So we need to handle this. We're going to handle this in the reducer. So in the reducer, we're going to handle our brand new case. We say case find modules for course, and we're going to return. We're really not going to use this find all modules, right? Maybe if you're a system administrator, you want to see all the modules across all courses, maybe, right? But if you're editing just one course that belongs to you as a faculty, right? I want to see only the modules for my course. So the modules that I want to see are the ones that come from the action, that come from the server, right? So let's go back, and from our module list component, we want to call this instead of this one, right? We want to call that one. So here on load, I want to call find modules for a course. I need to pass you the course ID. Where is the course ID? Do I even have it here, down in the module list component? Probably not. Do we even pass it into the module list component? Let's see, in the course editor, do we even have it in the course editor? We do. Here's the course editor, right? We could pass it down to the module list, course ID. We can pass it equal course ID, right? And then we can use it as a property here as this.props.course ID. Then we can pass it as an argument. Yes? So let's go back and see what we have. All right, looks like in this course we don't have any modules, right? We go back. Let's see if anybody has gone ahead and created some modules for me. No? When I actually need data, nobody's created modules.
Okay, I spent like 5 minutes. I don't know what's happening. Are you still on Jay and Lindsay?
I am. So let's see if it's coming back. Let's see if we're getting an error in the network. So we're refreshing. Here's the modules that's coming back from the server. So it's generics. So genuinely courses the ID, and then modules is coming back with empty. That's fine. Makes sense, right? We were creating in the global modules, right? We haven't added any modules to any particular course. Yes, so we haven't done that. So let's work on creating modules for a specific course. Let's do that next.
The ID doesn't